So I took the old mount that I had for my Garmin, and I cut it. I had to cut the bottom off of it, and I had to cut it at an angle. I don't know if you can see that on video, but it's 5 inches here, and I had to cut it down to 4 1/4 here, because the boat, it goes up at an angle here. It's like, it's angled, so it's gonna sit just like that. It's gonna come here. Got enough space right here for the hook hanger, and then my fish finder is gonna go right here. Okay, so there's a bunch of ways you can put this stuff on, but there's only one right way. So you take this piece, and you can see the hex right there. So that will actually help. It's got a little line, you gotta line it up. Bam, just like that. And then you lift up and you can spin it wherever you want it. And it just locks in. God, I love this thing. This thing is really cool. Alright guys, so right now I'm running my wires. I got my wire going through this hole right here. It's gonna go into the back of the fish finder. And then I just had to take this trim off once again. This trim right here. And run the wires behind this all the way down. Alright. So, I got my fish finder all hooked up. I got the wiring just running here, and it comes down my channel. Comes all the way here. This is the power wire. It goes down underneath here. And it connects to my battery right there, a little battery. Okay. And then the transducer wire keeps running down this channel, and I'm gonna put a wire tie here, and then that'll be good. But this is my transducer. I found, you know, if you buy a set of this, just one set of this, and one of these, see, this comes with this mount. I'll show you. Okay, so this fishing pole holder comes with this mount, and the triple rod holder comes with the same mount. It's right here. So what I did, I put one on the front and one on the back. So if you buy, what I was trying to get at is, if you buy one of these and one of these, you'll have two mounts to where you can actually move this wherever you want. Alright guys, the last thing, so with the triple mount holder, it holds everything. It holds rod, like I said, it holds rod holders. But if you buy one of these, this is an anchor stopper. If you buy one of these, this comes with one of these mounts also. But I'm going to use it here. It goes in like that. What you do is, so this is the tag end of the rope. You feed it through, you pull this up, and you feed it straight through. See? It's fed straight through like that. And then when you want to drop it down, there it goes. Just like that. I love this triple rod holder. See how it lasts for us. Remember, this thing can go any way, any degrees. You can also spin this, and lock it in any way you want. You can lock it in this way. You can lock it in this way. You can lock it in whichever way you want. Same way with this. It's an anchor stop. Well, that'll do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And we'll see you on the next one. Thank you guys for watching.